Where can I find a progressive counting therapist? If you are looking for a progressive counting therapist, you may be wondering where to start. Progressive counting is a specialized therapeutic technique designed to help individuals process traumatic memories. Developed by Dr. Ricky Greenwald, this method allows clients to visualize their trauma as movies while the therapist counts aloud in longer intervals. This evidence-based approach is gentle and aims to reduce emotional distress associated with trauma, anxiety, and PTSD symptoms. To find a qualified therapist, begin by looking for professionals trained specifically in progressive counting. The Trauma Institute and Child Trauma Institute is the main organization that provides training and certification for this therapy. Therapists who have completed their programs are well equipped to offer progressive counting therapy. Another option is to search through specialized trauma recovery networks. Some clinics and therapy networks explicitly include progressive counting as part of their services. For instance, the Therapeutic Recovery Network offers this therapy for managing trauma, anxiety, and PTSD. These networks often have listings of therapists trained in progressive counting, making it easier to find someone nearby. You can also check with licensed mental health professionals who focus on trauma. Many counselors, psychologists, and social workers who specialize in PTSD may incorporate progressive counting into their practice if they have received the necessary training. It is a good idea to ask them directly about their experience with this specific technique. Online directories can be a helpful resource as well. Many therapist directories allow you to filter your search by therapy modality or specialization. You can look for therapists who mention progressive counting or trauma-focused therapies in their profiles. This can help you locate practitioners in your area or those who offer telehealth sessions. Additionally, contacting trauma institutes or organizations that provide progressive counting training can be beneficial. They often have referral lists or can guide you to certified therapists in your region. When considering therapy, keep in mind that progressive counting usually takes place over multiple sessions. This allows for gradual processing of traumatic memories without overwhelming emotional distress. The approach is flexible and does not require clients to share detailed trauma narratives if they prefer to maintain their privacy. It is essential to ensure that any therapist you choose is licensed and practices within the scope of established evidence-based trauma treatments. In summary, finding a progressive counting therapist involves seeking licensed mental health professionals who are trained and certified in this specific therapy. Look for recognized training bodies like the Trauma Institute and Child Trauma Institute or specialized trauma recovery networks to find the right support for managing PTSD and anxiety symptoms.